All right, so the first thing you're gonna do is come in to remove this. There's a little button here, you press that in, and there's a little button here, you'll press that in, and then once those are both pressed in, you just come straight up with it. It's gonna hit up here, so we're just gonna grab it and force it up. There we go. And we'll do the same over there. All right, and we took this last one out, and what I'm doing is I'm just putting them on the front seat. So that one's going on the driver's side, that one's going on the passenger side. That way it's, I don't know, easy. Okay, now these guys have to get pried up, so it has to come on both sides. What I do is I get in here, I tape my my red tool, I get in there, I put it right here, get this one out of the way. I get in there like this, and you do have to put a fair bit of juice on it. There we go. And I'll do that to all three. All right, now that we've got all those out, we'll fold the seat up on both sides, and then we come under here, and there will be a 10 millimeter back there. I've added an extension to my 10 mil on the impact gun, and I'm going to use that to get to the bolt. Okay, got that bolt out. I'm gonna put it right here, and then there's one more here, so there's two in the middle, and then one on that side. All right, next tool is a hook tool. Then we're gonna come up right here on the side, pull this away, and you'll see it's got a little thing there. That's what we're gonna hook tool. All right, so what we're doing is we're coming with the hook tool, and it's got this little latch here. We're just pulling that latch up. Once it pulls up, we can actually just, so what we're doing, we're pulling it up, and we take the whole sheet and just pull it away. Okay, now with the C4, we've got this part here, so we'll just come around. Get it right there for now, and we'll lift this whole thing out. Being careful of here not to do any damage to this under seat.